The Indian Journal of Dermatology compared coconut oil and mineral oil side by side, and what they found about absorption and nutrition for your skin barrier might just change the way you treat dry winter skin. And later in this video, I'm going to show exactly how I use coconut oil in my daily skincare routine. Source: an oil extracted from coconuts. Mineral oil, a chemical substance derived from crude petroleum oil. Composition: coconut oil, composed of fatty acids, primarily lauric acid and other nutrients. Mineral oil, composed of hydrocarbons. Nutrient value: coconut oil, rich in essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins. Mineral oil contains no essential nutrients. Moisturizing effect: coconut oil penetrates the skin and hair shaft to provide deep moisture. Mineral oil, it creates a barrier to lock in moisture but doesn't provide hydration. Skin benefits: has antibacterial and antifungal properties beneficial for skin health. Mineral oil, it can sometimes clog pores and cause acne when used on the skin. Side effects: coconut oil does not harm skin and hair. Mineral oil, excessive use can damage hair. Environmental impact: coconut oil, renewable and more environmentally friendly. Mineral oil, non-renewable resources with a larger carbon footprint. Application: coconut oil, used for nourishing and hydrating qualities. Mineral oil, often used for its barrier-forming properties. If you're interested in protecting your skin barrier, helping it to repair and nourish and moisturize and hydrate itself naturally, and to help itself age gracefully. Example, I'm 41. I've been using this coconut oil skincare routine for the last 12 years. Usually when my skin would flare up, I would get eczema flares on the backs of my hands. And this is the routine that I've used to prevent that from happening. Make sure to take the skincare quiz. It is 60 seconds or less. They'll ask you a few curated questions. Scan the QR code to take the link or to take the quiz. First thing that I use, and I use this every single day in the shower and or at the sink, is a sugar scrub with virgin coconut oil. It has all the vitamins and the nutrients in it. It's nice and gentle on the skin. You don't need very much. It's a nice thick texture. In the shower after washing, it's very simple to use. I just massage it all over to my skin. I use it on my face. It's already melting. To take off makeup, to remove dull, dry skin, to give my skin a healthy glow, especially in the fall and the winter months, because that's when a lot of us struggle with skin becoming dull. When you exfoliate, it will gently lift those dull, dry skin and give your skin a healthy glowing. Normally, you would rinse it off. That's a very quick and easy thing to do. And like I said, I've been using it every single day for the last 12 years because it's sugar-based. It's very gentle on the skin, and it'll help moisturize your skin in addition to the coconut. And follow up with a pea size or less of this mango butter face and body cream. It has organic coconut oil in it also, and it takes just the tiniest little bit to do your whole entire face. And this jar lasts on average, most people 6 to 12 months. I'm excessive with it, I'll be honest, and it lasts me 3-4 months, but I just put this on afterwards to lock and seal in the moisture. And you can use it on the face, under the eyes, neck, chest, hands. That's how I use it. It absorbs fast, so you're not going to leave oil everywhere. If you found this content to be helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so more people can find this video and help with their winter skincare routines too, especially if they're stuck in a rut of Vaseline and lotion and gloves to bed at night to help their dry skin. And if you want to learn more about virgin coconut oil and the research-backed scientific studies done on it, then check out this video next where I go over that and how I combine castor oil into my winter routine.